Hi, I'm Rich Torrey. Welcome to another Level Up Cartooning. All you ever need to follow along with me is a pencil and paper. It doesn't get any easier than that, right? Welcome to week 8 of our summer schedule. This week, we're drawing the one and only Son Goku, Akira Toriyama's main protagonist and star of the wildly successful shonen manga and anime series, Dragon Ball Z. And unless you live under a rock, you know that Goku and 3 other Dragon Ball characters have just become playable characters in Fortnite. So all the more reason to draw Goku. Also, here's a little trivia. In the original manga draft of Dragon Ball, Toriyama planned to make Goku an animal instead of a human. Let me know in the comments if you know what animal he was considering. Stick around till the end and I'll give you the answer. Okay? So before we get started, make sure you hit the thumbs up and the subscribe button. This helps this channel to grow, and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. Alright? So let's draw the incomparable Goku from Dragon Ball Z. We're going to draw Son Goku step by step, giving you the secret formula to be able to draw him again and again. If you watched any of my other videos, you know I normally use the character's head to figure out how big the entire character is. In this pose, Goku is roughly 4 heads tall. In other words, however tall his head is, not including those hair spikes, his entire body is 4 of those. Okay? So let's draw the roadmap for Goku from Dragon Ball Z. So there's a roadmap for Goku. Now we're on to step 2. In this step, we do what I call roughing out the features. I want to remind you that until the third and final step, you want to draw as lightly as possible. I draw darker than I normally would because I need you to see it, but I want you whispering on paper. You'll see that I use guidelines to help me to know where to put Goku's eyes, nose, mouth, and some of the other things. We don't want those guidelines in the final drawing, so you want to draw them light enough to be able to erase them easily. Okay? So let's rough out the features for Goku. Alright, so there are the roughed out features for Son Goku. So now with the roadmap done and the features roughed out, it's time for that final step. In step 3, we get to have fun. We get to draw in the final details of Goku. We don't have to guess where to put things because we've already done all the hard work to figure that out. In this step, it's okay to draw darker, but don't press too hard or mindlessly retrace over the lines you've already drawn. Always draw with an eye on tweaking and improving until the very end. So let's draw the details for Goku. Alrighty, there he is, the one and only Son Goku from Dragon Ball Z. Oh, and also now a playable character in Fortnite. So how do you think you did? Understand, if you've never drawn Goku before, you cannot expect to have drawn him perfectly. He's not easy, especially in this pose. You notice I don't spend time coloring Son Goku during this video because I want my lesson to focus solely on the drawing process. Now you have the secret formula, the process for drawing Goku. And with that, you can draw him again and again, and by all means color him when you're done. I promise each time you draw him, it'll be a little better and a little easier. I also promise the more you work with me, the better you're going to get at all of your cartoon characters. For those of you who want to go a little deeper, click on the link below for my free 4-part drawing series, where I spend more time explaining the details and the thinking behind each step in what I call the level up cartooning process. So now, as promised, for those who don't know, when Akira Toriyama created his first draft of Dragon Ball Z, he originally planned on making Goku a monkey. But by the time the second draft was completed, he had changed his mind and Goku was now a human. Anyway, I'd love to see your version of Goku. If you can, post it on either Facebook or Instagram, and don't forget to include the hashtag #LevelUpCartooning. I hope you had as much fun as I did with this one. Remember to subscribe, and thanks for joining me. Until next time, keep drawing, my friends.